Choosing the right materials and lumber for your woodworking projects is essential for the success and longevity of your project. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of woodworking materials and lumber. Hardwoods are a great option for furniture, cabinetry, and other projects that will be visible and subjected to frequent use. Hardwoods such as oak, cherry, and maple are durable, strong, and have a beautiful grain pattern. Softwoods are typically used for framing, construction, and other projects that will be hidden or not subjected to heavy use. Softwoods such as pine, spruce, and cedar are lightweight, inexpensive, and easy to work with. Plywood and MDF are engineered woods that are commonly used for cabinetry, furniture, and other projects. Plywood is made up of thin layers of wood veneer glued together, while MDF is made up of wood fibers that are compressed and glued together. Both are strong, stable, and easy to work with. Remember, choosing the right materials and lumber for your woodworking projects is essential for the success and longevity of your project. By understanding the properties and characteristics of different types of wood, you can select the best material for your project and achieve the results you desire. Check the description below to learn woodworking from the comfort of home. Happy woodworking!